Now let us understand rotational symmetry properly. If you see, this shape is divided into two parts, half part this, half part this. So we will see whether some shapes are symmetrical rotationally or not. So let us first start with some alphabets. I am taking the alphabet F. Okay. Now if I rotate F like this, I am giving it a half turn. It is not coming same. It becomes upside down. So F is not showing rotational symmetry. Now let's take the alphabet Z. Okay. So when I rotate it into a half turn, it is looking again Z only. So Z like alphabet S. So if I rotate it like this and give it a half turn, S is again looking like S only. So alphabet S is also showing rotational symmetry. Let's take alphabet H. If I rotate like this, then H was here, H is here. So H is also showing rotational symmetry when we rotate it on half turn. Okay, somehow if I rotate it here, it is not looking H like this. If it is showing rotational symmetry on half turn. Okay, so this is showing rotational symmetry on half turn. H is also showing rotational symmetry. Let me take M. Okay, so if I rotate M, this will become W. So let's take N. If I rotate like this, N is also looking same. It is N only. So N is also showing rotational symmetry. Let's take P. If I rotate like this, it is not showing rotational symmetry. What about alphabet O? Let's find out the alphabet O. If I paste it here and I move it around, I rotate it around, give it a half turn, O is also looking same. So O is also showing rotational symmetry. So the alphabets which are showing rotational symmetry are O, then N, then S, Z, H. Okay. If I rotate I, give it a half turn, it will also look same. Using the alphabets which show rotational symmetry, if we write some words, like this word is cis, and if we rotate it, these words will also look same. Cis is looking same on half rotation. So it is a rotational word. This word is showing rotational symmetry. Okay, let's take some other words. Let's take this word. This is Mow. Okay, M-O-W, Mow. So if I rotate it like this, again it is Mow only. So this is also showing rotational symmetry. Okay, let's see some other words. I am taking this word Zoom. Now if you see these alphabets, if we take them alone, they all are showing rotational symmetry. But it is in the beginning it is some other alphabet and in the end some other alphabet. So I wonder whether it will show rotational symmetry or not. Let's find it out. So Zoom will become Woos. So that means if we want to show that the word has same rotational symmetry, the initial and the last alphabet has to be same. Okay, let's take another word. This word is swims. If you see, S is there in the beginning, S is there in the end. W will become M, M will become W, and I will remain as it is. So let's rotate it and find out. So this will become swims only. So this word is showing rotational symmetry. Okay. Now let's move to the next alphabet. Now let's move to the next word. This is noon. So if I rotate like this, so noon will come, noon will be shown like noon only.